Hey, what's up? Jonathan Belcher, just doing this video really quick. And I'm making this video for those of you who have been looking for a way to make your own income, being your own boss, running your own business, working from home, having the ability to earn passive income. That's who this video is for. For those of you who have an entrepreneur spirit on the inside and you've been trying to look for an opportunity to bring out that entrepreneur power you have within inside of you. I mean, even for me, even from a young age, right? Like some of you know my story already. I can remember even when I was like 14 years old, 15 years old, 16 years old, I remember reading Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. I remember reading that book as one of my earlier personal development books that I read, right? And so I was always open to entrepreneurship. I always wanted to learn, how do people flourish just doing business? How do people pay their bills just doing business? How do people become financially free by starting businesses? So that was always something that interested me. So if you're watching this video right now, I want you to know that I can relate, right? I know what you're probably feeling right now. I know what you're probably thinking right now. Maybe you're at a 9-to-5 job right now that you probably, maybe you like it, right? Or maybe you don't like it at all, but you know that there's something greater within you, right? Or maybe you feel like you're not being paid what you're worth right now at your 9-to-5 job. So you're looking for something that's gonna pay you more of what you're worth, and in the process of that, allow you to eventually be able to quit your job through your continuation of earning passive income, right? Because let's just be real. Let's just be real about society and what's going on in the world. The value of the dollar is not going back up to where it was anytime soon, right? We know this. We know that the economy has taken a big dip over the last decade. And we know that a lot of things have been changing too over the last decade as well, like technology, social media, the internet. We're in the information age now. So how do you make a lot of money online? Like all right, for example, how do you make at least $200 per day online, right? How do you make at least $200 per day online? Because I think about $200 a day, let's say $200 a day is about $6,000 a month. $6,000 a month. I think if you're earning an extra $6,000 a month, for most people, for the average person, for most people, an extra $6,000 a month on top of what you're already making right now will drastically take away some of the financial burdens you might be experiencing in your life, right? An extra $6,000 a month probably could pay for a vacation every single month for you, right? Or a new car, or maybe even a new place or a new home, right? So in this video, what I'm going to focus on is teaching you how to make at least $200 per day, making money online as your own entrepreneur, because that's what I teach, right? I teach internet marketing, how to put your business online and then flourish with that business. Now, if you don't have a business, I highly recommend you get started in the email processing system, right? That's the EPS business opportunity. And that's became my primary business over the last year, and I believe a couple years now, right? Primary business has been email processing system. Please ignore the plane going over in the sky right now. But yeah, so the reason why I recommend email processing system is because, most importantly, is because the simplicity of it, right? It doesn't take a rocket scientist to understand the business model. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to go through the training products and apply the training products step by step. And it's very straightforward, right? So with it being simplistic and very straightforward, I see this as, in my opinion, the best business to get started if you're somebody who don't have a business at all, or if you're a person who's never quite ran your own business, or if you've never quite had any success running your own business online before, or if you're trying to learn marketing skills, if you're trying to learn sales education and stuff like that. If you're trying to learn that stuff on top of having your first business that you can run as an entrepreneur and make money as your own boss, EPS is for you. I'm telling you that right now. EPS is for you. Now, how do you make $200 a day? Well, first off, in order to make money online or as an entrepreneur, let's say you've been, like I said, at a job you don't like or something like that, and you want to have the ability to quit that job. Well, in order to make money online, in order to make money as your own boss, you got to have something to sell. Number one, you need a product, a service, something to sell. And it doesn't have to be always something tangible, right? You can sell even educational program. You know, and that's another reason why I highly recommend getting started on my 300 to Freedom EPS team, is because that's what it is that we're providing to people in the world. We're providing marketing and sales education through EPS, right? And you say, why is that important, John? Like, why do I need marketing and sales education? Well, once you get a product, right? Once you get a service or a program to sell or something to offer people that you can make money with, the next step is you got to be able to get the word out about that product. You know, you got to be able to get the word out about that opportunity, about the program. Because if you got a product for sale, but you don't know how to get it in front of the right people, let's say a targeted audience of buyers, right? Or if you don't know how to get that product in front of people who would be most interested in purchasing that product, well, then your business is not going to have much success, right? You're not going to be able to earn $200 a day. You get what I'm saying? So that's why marketing and sales education is so crucial to your success in life and in your business. You know what I'm saying? Because it's just like anything else, any other profession. You know, when somebody's doing something for you professionally, you get the idea that this person is experienced. You know, you get the idea that this person is credible. You get the idea that this person knows what they're doing. So in order to have success as an entrepreneur, in order to get to making 6 figures online as your own boss, or in order to get to making $200 a day extra on the side of your job as your own boss, you have to know what you're doing, right? You have to learn the ins and outs of marketing and sales. You have to learn traffic generation. You have to learn how to convert leads into sales. And that whole process that I'm talking about, which is very important if you want to have a fully on flourishing business, the whole process that I'm talking about is taught inside of the EPS system. And that's why I recommend the business, because it's not just an opportunity, it's also an educational platform. And education is priceless, right? Education in the world is priceless. Look at schools, look at colleges. The highest paid people are people who got their PhDs, right? Their PhD degrees, right? They get paid more than people who have their master's degrees. And people who have their master's degrees, they get paid more than people's, and excuse me if the sun is like, you know, dark over here on this angle. But yeah, and people who have master's degrees, they get paid more than people who have bachelor's degrees. So the reason for that is because the more education you have in life, the more you know. The more you know, the more you can take advantage of, the more you have an advantage over other people in the world. And that's another reason why EPS I highly recommend as a business opportunity if you're looking to become a more powerful entrepreneur. And also, not even that, right? More importantly, I run into a lot of people who have business ideas. They have great business ideas and business plans that they want to initiate and stuff like that. And sometimes we can't get those ideas off the ground unless we get started in a business like EPS. And I'm going to tell you why. You say, John, why is it that, you know, my other businesses won't have success unless I join EPS? Well, I shouldn't say that, right? Let me not say that. I'm not saying that your other business won't have success if you don't join EPS. All I'm saying is that what you learn in EPS, email processing system, the information, the marketing training, the sales training, the whole course, the platform, what you learn in that training, you can apply that to any business. You can take that information and open up other streams of income. You can take that information and open up new business ventures and apply that same marketing and sales training, that same marketing and sales knowledge that you got from EPS. You can apply that across many different businesses, and now you're creating multiple streams of income. Now you're creating a future of financial freedom. Now you're creating a future of security, you know, where you don't have to worry about just relying on a pension or a 401k or Social Security. You can literally build your own cash cow businesses and have more than enough money coming in every single day, every single month. So that's how you make $200 a day, is you get a product that you can sell. And for example, an email processing system, right? You can earn $100 per sale that you make. $100 per sale that you make, which means in order to average out $200 per day, let me just move this camera here a little bit. Maybe I should just sit like this for a second, right? Man, there's so much shade, there's so much shiny spots, so much open spots in the park. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so from one sale, right, you earn $100 commission. Now, if you average 2 sales a day in email processing system, you will be at $200 a day. That's $6,000 a month. which is about an extra $70,000 a year, right? Extra being your own boss, running your own marketing business. Now you say, how are you able to earn the $200? Well, because once you sign up in EPS, once you get started at the $100 level, you're gonna get all 3 level training platforms, right? So the $100 level is the all-in package. Once you get started in the $100 level, excuse me one second, I'm just gonna let some of these people pass really quick, you know? A lot of people out here enjoying their day, having a nice walk. It's beautiful weather out here today, so it's so beautiful. I got motivated to do this video. All right, I said, you know, it's so beautiful out here. I'm getting inspired to do this video to drop some information, some gems about the EPS business opportunity. But yeah, so it's beautiful out here. But yeah, so the $100 package, if you invest into the $100 package, it's a one-time fee of $100. You get access to all 3 training levels. But not only do you get access to all 3 training levels in EPS, also you have the ability to now earn $100 commissions per sale, right? But you have to get started at the $100 level. If you don't get started at the $100 level, well then you can either earn only $25 or $50 commissions. So the easiest and the fastest way to get to $200 per day, even $300 per day, even an extra $500 per day, right? The easiest way to get to those types of numbers, $300, $400, $500, $200 a day, is by having the all-in package, the $100 all-in package, which is a one-time fee of $100. You get access to literally 3 different training platforms, giving you full-on, in-depth, advanced trainings having to do with marketing and sales using the internet, using social media. Right, so it's not like you're not gonna have to leave your house or anything like that. You're not gonna have to commute or drive far to get to work or anything like that. It's none of that stuff. All you need is a computer, internet access, or even a smartphone, right? And just a drive and ambition to win. Once you have a drive and an ambition to win, I can help anybody succeed. I can help anybody make money online who has ambition, who has a drive, and who has a goal in mind that they want to accomplish as an entrepreneur. And that's what it's really about. It's about us locking arms together to make your dreams come true, right? It's about us locking arms together here on the 300 to Freedom movement, sharing knowledge, sharing education about marketing, business, sales, investments, and we all flourish, we all grow, and we increase our passive income. Because I'm gonna be honest with you, man, the world is changing. You know, now that we have the internet, we're in the information age, the world will never be the same. I feel like a lot of things that people are taking action on today, they're outdated concepts, right? And they're old methodologies and old methods that no longer work today. But what if we started to practice what works today? What if we started to learn the things that are working today to create passive income, to create financial freedom, to create success, abundance, and prosperity? What if we focus on the things that are working today and the things that are going to be working tomorrow in the future? You know, one thing I know for sure, that the computer is never going to go anywhere. I know the internet is never going to go anywhere. So for me, from a young age, I saw the importance of learning the ins and outs of marketing and sales and having an online presence. Because I said, look, we're in the information age. Computers are here now, and I don't see computers ever going anywhere. So if I learn this skill set of how to make money online, how to make money in EPS as my own boss, I have a skill set that I can make money over and over and over and over and over again. That was my mindset. That was my mentality getting into EPS, getting into making money online. I said, look, the internet's not going anywhere. So why not learn something that I can forever make money with? Why not learn something that I can share knowledge with other people about, and they can also make money? They can also build a future. They can also spend more time with their family and their children and stuff like that, because that's what it's about. It's about freedom. It's about enjoying the best quality of life possible for you. You know what I'm saying? So without any further ado, if you want to learn more about the EPS business opportunity, all you got to do is check out the link in the description of this video below. I recommend getting started at the $100 level just because you'll get the highest level of education and you'll have the highest income potential. That's why I recommend the $100 level. But if you can't invest into the $100 level, the $25 or the $50 level is fine. But in the description below, you'll also see the link to not my YouTube, sorry, to my Facebook account. You can contact me on Facebook, reach out to me. before getting started or after you get started. It doesn't make a difference, and I'm gonna send you over the training platforms right away according to the level that you joined. So if you joined the $100 level, I'm gonna send you all 3 training packages. If you join the $25 level, I'm gonna send you the $25 level. If you join the $50 level, I'm gonna send you the $25 and $50 level training platforms. And then from there, we're gonna work together. We're gonna work together to help you to make your first sale, help you to earn your first few $100s, right? And then from there, allow you to teach you things that's gonna allow you to expand your business, expand your brand, and really, really become a top income earner in the make money online entrepreneur niche. So without any further ado, that's really it. What I'm here to tell you is that I believe in you. I know that you can achieve the success that you want to achieve. There were so many people in the beginning. There's so many people that were telling me, oh, you can never make money doing that online thing. You will never make money. Oh, it's a scam. Oh, it's not real. Oh, it's not legit. Oh, you can't do it. Oh, it's not possible. I had so much negative Nancy's in my ear telling me what's not possible. Please don't live a life letting other people tell you what's possible and what's not possible, because they're only telling you from their standpoint and from their perspective. It's not true. It is not true. I believe in you. If you want to make an extra $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, $30,000 a month, $40,000 a month as your own boss, it's possible. You have to know that it's possible. You have to know that you have the ability, you have what it takes to make that type of money. You have what it takes to quit your job. You have what it takes to inspire millions of people in the world. You have to know that. You have to know that, and you have to be secure with that sooner than later. Because once you're empowered with that understanding, nothing that can stop you, my friend. Nothing can stop you. Nothing in this world can stop you. This is Jonathan Belcher. I'm going to see you at the top. Peace.